bake together. Had a busy morning. I had to go do my hair this morning at 9:30. I also had an assignment that I had to submit before 12 o'clock. It's 11:53 now, but I sent the email already, so that's done. I was hoping to be like done with leaving the house, but I have to go fetch some like hairspray that I purchased. So yeah, that's gonna be a little bit later, but I just did these like, what are these called, Dutch braids? They're like with extensions and they're pretty long. They're like all the way up to my hip. Yeah, that's the word. So yeah, today on the agenda, I think I want to watch a movie tonight. I think I want to watch Emily in Paris. Someone just suggested it. I'm not cooking today, I'm cooking tomorrow. So yeah, that's the update. I baked those I baked those cupcakes, and the frosting that I made was so good. Did I even save the recipe? Oh my gosh, the frosting was amazing. Okay, so I'll link the recipe for the buttercream frosting that I used down below. Let me actually show you what one of these looks like. So here's one. What I like to do is I like to put a very thin layer of frosting. I don't have the right piping tips to like pipe it on, but I will be getting those very soon. But it's so good. Oh my gosh, just look at it first. Today's gonna be a pretty chill day. There's nothing really for me to vlog. We are going to PNA though to give my sister a visual diary. She needs one for school. Maybe I'll bring you along to that. Oh, what I was gonna tell you when I told you about doing my hair is on my way back from doing my hair, I stopped by Featherbrook to get money from the ATM, and I saw Jessica and Bryn, and I wanted to go up to them and say hi. I really did, but I didn't have time because it was like 10 already and I had to submit my assignment. So I was like, oh gosh, and they were just walking like really chilled. I could have really just went and said hi, but I didn't want to be like in a rush, and you know, so I saw them. Yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you. I love Jess, love her content, I love her work ethic. She just puts so much, she motivates me so much to do better. So yeah, when I saw her, I really want to say hi, but I will see her hopefully again. This is the second time I've seen her, but I will see her hopefully again, and then I'll be able to say hi because I won't be in a rush. So yeah, that's my Saturday. I think I'll see you guys tomorrow. Maybe I'll take you along to PNA. Let's go. on today's agenda, I need to do some marking for work. I need to study. I'm writing tomorrow. I need to prepare. I'm writing tomorrow. I need to take some photos for a video that's coming up soon. What else? And tons of other stuff. We're going to Pick and Pay to go get my sister some shorts. She's going on camp in a few days. She's going to camp in a few days. So there's that as well. And oh, I need to show you the box and the paper bags that we got from my surprise home yesterday. They had them so affordable, it's insane. So I just kind of got all of them, even though they're pretty girly and kind of almost like childy. I feel like it's a pretty paper bag, so you know, whatever. Anyway, I did my makeup today, as you can see, for the photos that we need to take. But yeah, I'm hungry. It is 12:30 and I want to mark all 20 of the submissions that I have so far and then go eat. Maybe 21 with that one. 24. Yeah, so let me do that and then I will probably catch up with you guys when we go to the store. So yeah, come along with me. Don't mind my face, I was wearing a mask, so just taking my makeup off right there and there and there. Anyway, we're moving along. I want to show you what we got at my surprise home, and then I got some stuff at Pick and Pay. So yeah, let me show you. So we went yesterday, we got another box. There's Hope's box still sitting there, but we got another box. These boxes retail for 69 bucks. So 70 bucks basically. So this one is for my sister. And then I'm just gonna move that there. Yesterday while we were at the big Mr. Price, it was the one at Retail Crossing, or Retail Shopping Center, one of the two. Anyway, we got paper bags. These were all on sale. We even got some today. So let me show you all the paper bags together. These ones were 19 bucks, so 20 bucks basically. So we got two of these. They're very gender neutral, which is perfect. They're so pretty. So we got 3 of them for 20 bucks each. And then yesterday we got these, 2 of them. These ones, these were also 20 bucks. So we got 2 of them. This is also pretty, well, this is pretty girly actually. And we got these, and these are really kitty, but I feel like they're perfect, honestly. This one's got a mermaid. Let me show you. It's super pretty. Like, I wouldn't mind a gift in this. And these were 5 rand. I'm not even lying. There's the price. This is not even the best price. We got 2 of the mermaid ones, and then I bought all of these unicorn ones, these are pretty kitty. I'm not even gonna lie. These are pretty childlike. Paper bag, the paper bag, man. These are 1 rand. Literally 99 cents. So I got all the ones that were available in the store, which is 2, 3, 4, 5. I got all 5 of the ones that were in the store. And then lastly, we got one of these. This is pretty nice. And this one was 20 bucks as well. So yeah, that is the paper bag situation. So we are covered, at least for a little while. And then today, while we were there, we actually went out there to get some plastic some plastic dishes and stuff for my sister. She's going on camp. So we got her this set. It's a plate and a bowl. This was 60 bucks. And this was 36 bucks. This is nice. I like this. I really like it. And then at Pick and Pay, I got these shoes. These are really pretty. They're a pink color. Let me show you right there. They feel very nice, almost like a leathery feel. Super, super nice. They're very comfortable. They've got this cushioned area. They feel super nice on. So I bought this pair. This was $129. And then I picked up this pretty pink, like almost like a mauvey pink bra. It's a sports bra. And I've had the sports bras from this brand before. Super comfortable. And this was 99 rand. So that's everything that we got today. I just wanted to show you the paper bag because they always have paper bags on special at this Mr. Price. So we like to stock up and have them on hand. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Maybe, yeah, or tomorrow actually. Bye. Hi everyone, so it's the next day. Obviously, I'm wearing different clothing. I think I ended the vlog off yesterday showing you the paper bags that we bought and the boxes and stuff from Mr. Price Home. Today, I didn't really vlog much because this morning I wrote a test from 10 till 12. And then as soon as I was done with that, we went to Discam to go pick up a prescription of mine. I needed to get it because my pills were running out. And then while I was there, I picked up this bottle. Let me show you. This bottle, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Let me actually put the lights on it so you can see. But initially, I just wanted a 2.2 liter bottle. And this one is 2.2 liters. The one that I saw on the internet was 2.2 liters as well, but it was the USB or something like that. If I got that wrong, I'll put it on the screen. But it was a different brand. I saw it at Game and Macro, and I knew Discam had these bottles, but I didn't know they had like such a pretty one. It's a matte pink. There you can see it's a 2.2 liter, like I said, and they have one in matte black as well, but the pink is just so bright and vibrant. So I decided to get that. So yeah, I wanted a bottle like this so that I can have at the very least 1 full bottle of water a day. There's water in here right now, but I'm still drinking my mason jar. So yeah, my goal is to drink 2.2 liters of water every day. I'm just trying to up my intake of water. And then yeah, so I didn't bring you along to Discam, and after Discam we went to Pick and Pay clothing. My mom had to exchange something that she got yesterday. We went there, and then we went to Westpac, and then we came home. But yeah, I cooked as well. And for today's dinner, I made some really simple food. So it's just some country mix vegetables, meat, and jam squash that's been roasted in the oven. So that is our dinner for today. Okay, so while we're here, I also reorganized the cupboards up here. So my mom kept suggesting that I move all of my mugs up to this shelf. It's the middle shelf from the entire cupboard. And it had my sister's stuff. Well, my sister and the baby. But because she's moved out of the house, it was cleared out. So I moved all my stuff there, and because she wasn't really clear on if I should have this space only, I now have 2 shelves that are filled with just my stuff in the house. This shelf, which is where everything was before, and some of the stuff was on the other side. There we go. Some of the stuff was on the other side of the kitchen. And then my favorites were here in the front. But I told my mom that I was really scared that people were gonna come in, and if they want to make themselves some tea or some coffee, they would grab my mugs and I would have to kill someone. So she told me to move them up here, but she didn't really say that I had to move everything up here and leave this spot empty. So I've decided to take over 2 shelves, which means I have space to buy more mugs, which is terrible. But this shelf has all of my double walled stuff back there, and then this is just my most prized mugs and cups up here. So the ones that I want no one to touch ever, they're up here, and then these are just everyday ones that I grab like really quick. Those are travel ones back there. Same with this one. This is the one from Pick and Pay. I have another one up here. There it is. So I don't really mind if people use that. These ones I don't really mind. And then back there is like a massive soup one. So yeah, that happened today. And I'm pretty happy with this shelf. It kind of makes me happy. This one I got for free at the Tupperware place that I buy from. I wasn't gonna put it there initially. I was gonna have it in here because it's a nice to-go mug, but I like the pop of color up there. So that's that on that. So that's my day so far. The day's pretty much come to a close. I'm just busy with schoolwork. Yeah, I have a lot of schoolwork to do. And I'm trying to edit a video so I can get it up because someone asked for it, and tomorrow's Wednesday and there's no video of this week yet. I'm so happy about this. This was a little pricier than the one that I initially was gonna get. So I'll pop in a picture of the one that I was initially gonna get. That one was $100, but I saw this one at Discount and I just wanted to get one as soon as possible. So this one was $129. So that's how much I paid for this one. Not too bad. But yeah, the other one's $100. So if you're interested,
there's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand